Hey guys, I'm on a tangent today. Shut up, Lolly. So, Lolly's our camera girl, by the way.
Hi.
There you go. Hi. So, we're talking about markets today, and there's 4 different ones. We just talked about a cash market, and now we're going to talk about a separate market if you're going to be in the flipping cars and you're going to open a dealership. Now, this particular market is the most expensive one to enter into, and it's called the prime market. There's some big pluses to going into the prime market. One of those big pluses is there's a lot of money in it. But one of the negatives is it's the most expensive market to jump into. Who's in the prime market? Let me explain. Every franchise car dealer you see that has a Chevy sign, Ford sign, Honda, Volkswagen, all those guys have used car lots full of cars for the prime market. So you as an individual, it's going to take you a lot of bankroll. How much bankroll? An average dealer, say that sells 100 new cars, 150 new cars a month, he's going to carry a $1.5 to $2.2 million used car inventory that he's turning over every month. Or I'm sorry, he's trying to turn over every month. It'll take him about 45 days to turn his inventory if he's a good dealer. So, an idea there. You're looking at $1.5 million, $2.2 million to jump in and compete with one of the franchise stores. Eek, that's expensive. However, the thing about prime customers are, you make the most money there because those people got the money to buy whatever they want. If they sign their name to it, it's as good as cash. And you have the ability to make money on APR financing. You can sell them on financing. You can sell them extended warranties. You can do on some of the other finance products for secondary too, but with primary, you're allowed to make a pretty good profit on the car as far as front end gross. There's just a lot of pluses to it, and you're able to move cars that are very expensive, $20, $30, $40, $50,000 cars, no problem, because you're in that market, and that's the type of market that they have. Negative, another big negative to the prime market is, a lot of people don't talk about this, but this is a huge negative. That huge negative, this is if you went full and you were able to cover the whole spectrum. If you were covering late, take your current year model, 10,000 mile cars, if you're jumping in that market. Huge negative. Those cars depreciate at ridiculously fast rates. So, most new car dealers that have $1 million used car inventory aren't really worried about it because they're making money on their new cars as well. So they've got a little bit of advantage when they're bringing it in. There's things they can do to offset the inventory costs that you're not going to be able to do. So do be careful about that. What else might be affecting them on a primary market? It's very lucrative, like I said, but you can be out of business really quick. However, if you want to do primary market and you want to do it as an individual, this is what I would suggest. I would suggest capping yourself at the type of vehicle you're going to buy. Remember when I was talking about niches? Well, you can have a niche in the primary market. Maybe don't stretch yourself quite so deep. Don't go right into, if you have a Ford store and a Chevy store, don't go buy their former rental cars and try to compete against them. Maybe try to stay 2 or 3 years back with low miles, really nice cars. That's a good niche to be in. You can still, you don't have worries with mechanical problems. You don't got worries with warranties, all that good stuff. You're just going to be doing good, clean business, and that'd keep your costs down if you stayed in that market, say under $15,000. Doing a few a little higher, but try to serve that market. Whatever your niche is, try to focus in on that. But that's one of the drawbacks of this type of market is, that car dealer sitting over there with a Ford sign, and people are coming to him to find the year older one, so they're really hard to compete with. I have seen almost every town has a car dealer that's really just top notch, and to give you an example, they might carry 50 or 60 cars, or maybe even 70 or 80 cars, and they're all really nice. I mean, they only have like a max of 30,000, 40,000 miles, and they're serving that market. That's very lucrative if you can do that. Once again, it does take some money to do it. That's a nice market to be in, but if you are going to jump out there, please be aware that you don't want to go head-to-head with the big franchises. You're more than likely going to lose. You just want to take their scraps. What they got going off they're not really after the 3-year-old car too much. They're more after that rental car. So don't compete with them head to head. Go a couple years back, and you'll be okay. This is if you have the kind of money it takes to play in that market. All right, that'll be enough about the premium market. We call that the premium market. The premium. What a subprime. I watched Transformers the other day. Can you tell? Meanwhile, guys, hey, we appreciate it. We support Homefront Hugs with military. And if you have any question that I can help you out with as far as vehicles go, buying, selling, any questions, we're going to keep on making these videos and see if we can help you out later. Peace out from the car man. See you on the next one.